Hi, I'm Julia, a technical service representative at Excel Dryer. Excel Dryer manufactures hand dryers in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts. We are proud to say we make the only hand dryer that is made in the USA certified. We have created a series of videos to help you maintain your Excel hand dryer. This video will instruct you how to adjust the motor speed, sound, heat, and sensor range on your ThinAir hand dryer. In response to customers' request for control over the air velocity, temperature, and sound, we added these controls in the hand dryer. There are 3 knobs on the control board in the unit that allow for adjustments to the motor, heat, and the sensor range. Remove the cover by removing 1 tamper-proof bolt on the bottom of the dryer and gently lift upwards. Facing the unit, the control board is on the bottom with the knobs on your right. The 3 knobs are marked M for motor, R for range, and H for heat. Turning the M knob counterclockwise turns down the motor speed. Dialing down the motor results in less power and air velocity and is therefore quieter. Range can be adjusted if you find the unit is false triggering due to an obstruction such as a countertop or trash basket underneath the dryer. Turning the knob marked R counterclockwise decreases the sensor range. Perhaps you want less heat or wattage. Turn the knob marked H counterclockwise to reduce or turn off the heat. Once adjustments are complete, replace and fasten the cover in place with the tamper-proof wrench. Thank you for your interest, and if this video still leaves you with questions, please call our customer service department at Excel Dryer at 800-255-9235.